Once Socrates said, "The secret of change is to focus all your energy not on fighting the old, but also on building the new." Like so, the secret of winning the advanced future is to join hands with the advanced technologies. Advanced technologies like AI not only mean to fit into the high-tech industries, science and computers, they can do wonders in other fields too, like in finance, manufacturing, productions, sales and marketing and whatever so. It is making wonders, becoming basic and will become a necessary tool of future technology.
It promises to create a vastly more productive and efficient economy.
If you want to become an industrialist or an entrepreneur, then what does the future need from you? What is AI in business transformation like? How smart marketing makes wonders for our existing businesses? Why should we switch with AI in the future? However, our future is not long, but getting ready for it is important. No matter how hard the future puts you in, your knowledge is your rescue. Anyway, let's stay connected and explore.